Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, March 15th. Hope you had a wonderful week and you're looking forward to the weekend. Sunday is St. Patrick's Day. We're just going to have corned beef sandwiches and that's how we'll celebrate, but I hope you guys have a good weekend doing whatever you're up to. I've got some, not too many things to show you this week, but I'll show you what I did get. I wanted to announce that I chose a new winner for my 11,000 subscribers giveaway because I was not contacted by the first one. So I used the same video and I did the random comment picker on, there's a site that you could go to that selects a random comment from your video. So the new winner of my Easter basket full of handmade and store-bought goodies is Lori at Creating for Fun. So yay, I'm so happy you won, Lori. Shoot me an email at the email in the description box, which is always there, just, within the week, and I will get your package out to you. So thanks again to everybody who subscribes and watches, and I appreciate all my viewers so much, and I'm sorry the first winner, she just probably didn't see the video, so I apologize about that, but it's been a week, so I think it's time to choose a new winner. So let's get on with the haul. I wanted to start with this. If you remember, I got this package of Hello Kitty Easter stickers from Walmart. So I just made this quick little embellishment with them. I used the heart circle nesting set from Scrap Diva Designs. That's a great die set I use all the time. If you watch my Scrap Diva videos, you know that I show that a lot, but this is on sale on her website right now, this die set. So I always have a link down below to Scrap Diva Designs as well. But these stickers, they're interesting because when you peel off, it says they're vinyl decal stickers. So when you peel off the backing, they're just like a piece of vinyl. So I probably can't do it with these nails, but I just want to show you what it looks like. But it's not sticky. Okay, here we go. When you peel it off, it's just vinyl. So maybe that's good for people who craft with vinyl, like on Cricuts and stuff. See, it's not sticky at all. So if you're going to use it as an embellishment, I would suggest leaving that background on and just sticking that part onto your project, because I had to go in and add some white glue to this, and it kind of looks like bumpy in the light. I don't know if you could see here, but I wouldn't, attach it this way again. I would keep it on the backing piece. But yeah, just a cute little tag I made. I just wanted to show you and give you an update on those vinyl stickers in quotes. All right, so I went to a different Hobby Lobby in my town, one that's a little bit out of the way, so not everybody goes to, so they tend to have more of a clearance selection. So I found some stuff. They had one pack of these yellow beads from Bead Design Company. They were originally $9.99 and now they're $2.49. So I just love the pretty yellows in here, and there are some like crackle metallic looking beads, and then there are like those raspberry beads in yellow, and I love the striped ones too, especially the vertical stripe. They just look like beach balls to me. So I picked that up. I thought that was a really good mix and a good deal too. And then I got this pack of alcohol markers. Master's Touch are okay. They're not as good, I don't think, as King Art alcohol markers, but they're good. This is the Earth variety, and it was originally $30 for 6, which is crazy. That's like almost Copic prices, and these are not like Copic markers. But they were on sale for $7.49, so I thought that was fine. And these are the colors that this one comes with. So I was most interested in this 104 brown gray and then this 59 pale green. I always like to have different shades of green and different shades of like taupe and light brown and gray. I think they're really good for shading. And then these other colors are nice too. They had a couple other packs that were on sale too on clearance, but there were colors that I didn't want, so I didn't get those. So I just picked up this pack. And then I saw these. It's a 4-pack of Scotch gift wrap tape, and it was only 60 cents. I probably should have gotten a few more. This was like 90% off. So this is gift wrap tape. It says features a unique satin finish that disappears on most gift wrap papers. So, I mean, that's mostly what I use Scotch tape for, is gift wrapping. So I think this will be great. I definitely should have gotten more, but 60 cents for Scotch tape, can't beat that, right? And then I got a couple things for gifts. Oops! Oh, oh no, it just opened. Hang on. Maybe this is why it was on clearance. But I got this pack of dry erase markers, and these are all the colors. I'm gonna have to seal that back up, maybe with my gift wrap tape. But these were originally $6.99 and they were reduced to $3.49. So that's only a 50% reduction. Who knows how they, I mean, I know that they get a sheet telling them what to mark the clearance things at, but how they decide on what's 75 and what's 90 and what's 50, I don't know. But anyway, it comes with all these colors, and I know somebody who uses a dry erase board regularly, so I am going to give that to her. And then this is for my niece. She's in college right now, and she's going for interior design. So I picked up this coloring book. It's the Beach House and Interior Design coloring book. And this was $7.99, which is a little bit high according to like the prices of some of their other clearance books, because this was originally $15.99. So what's that, like not even 50%. But I like this one because it's an interior design coloring book, and it's got really pretty like beachy images. And, you know, she's in college, she gets stressed out, you know, doesn't everybody in college? So hopefully this will be a way for her just to, you know, kind of relax and, you know, while doing some interior design work as well. Isn't that pretty? And then to go with that, I got her these woodless colored pencils. And again, they had a few different packs. This one is a 12 pack. They had a couple 24 packs too, but I thought this one was nice. And these are really pretty, you know, just basic colors. And it was $2.99 instead of $12. So is that, yeah, that's 75%, right? Yep, so I'm going to put that in her Easter Happy Mail or care package for college, right? So that's all I got at Hobby Lobby. And I think I did pretty good, a kind of a wide variety of things. Let's see, what else? Okay, I got my ambassador package for AdornIt. These are February recipe recipe club stamps, and these are available right now a la carte on the AdornIt website, so I will link that page down below. But if you're in the recipe group, you got these already, I'm sure. It takes forever to get out to me here in New York. I don't know why, I guess because I'm far away from Utah, but anyway, this is the recipe, the main recipe for February, and it is carrot cake muffins. And I just got these yesterday, so I haven't had a chance to use them yet. But when I do, I will come on with another project share video. So this comes with those 3 cute little bunnies. I love their little heart noses, and then a nice looking recipe for carrot cake muffins, which I definitely want to try. And then there's this cute extra carrot on the side, and then a sentiment that says Happy Easter. So that's the carrot cake muffins one. And then the add-on set is this one. And this one is called Easter Bunches. I think it's because this rabbit is holding the bunches of carrots. And again, all the detail, if you could, I don't know if you could see with the glare, but all the shading and just, you know, shading dots and lines, it really helps you to color it easily. And this carrot is just beautiful with the ribbon wrapped around it and the flowers and the cute greenery coming out. And there are polka dots on the carrot too. And then you have these 2 bunnies with a carrot, and you could put in a like carrot inside there. I don't know if Lovey Bunches would fit, maybe it would. And then Easter, of course, or you could just leave it blank or put whatever else you want in there. So those are really cute. And these stamps are such great quality. They're photopolymer, so they'll last a really long time. They keep their shape, they stamp really well. Here's another one you can buy a la carte. This one is called the Easter Church. So it's a beautiful pastoral scene with the church, and it's got the lambs on the grass eating, and trees, and just a beautiful frame around there. It says Happy Easter on the ribbon and the flowers, and it's just so pretty. That would make such a beautiful Easter card, wouldn't it? And then it comes with this extra stamp, this like flourish with leaves and vines and flowers. And then this says, because of Easter, our hearts are full of joy and we can rejoice. So that would be beautiful on the inside of your card or on a tag or whatever you want to do with it. So I just think this is lovely with the sun coming out of the clouds. And Diana just is such a wonderful artist. And she's such a nice person too. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then the last one that they sent me is this one. This one's called the Easter Pickup, and this is one of the larger ones, larger sets. So it comes with this pickup truck, the back of the pickup truck with the two bunnies in there, the boy and the girl one. She's holding some tulips, he's holding some carrots, and it says happy for the license plate, and there's a cute little ladybug there. Just what a cute scene that is. Just so many different ways to color that or paper piece it with different color or different patterns of paper that you have. And then it comes with this sentiment that says happy Easter, happy spring, look forward to the joy they bring. Flowers, tulips in the corners, cute border around that. And then there you can use this stamp on so many different things with the pretty bow and the flowers, spring flowers. There's some carrots. You could stamp in a line or whatever you want to do with those. Here's another big stamp. This is a girl bunny sitting on top of the carrot that has flowers on it. And so many details on her. There's a cute little separate ladybug, some flowers, and here are three other bunnies like peeking over like a fence or, you know, a sentiment or whatever. So there's the mom, the dad, and maybe the baby or something. Whatever you want to do with them. So yeah, these are all the ones that AdornIt sent me. So I am going to be working on those this weekend, and hopefully you've been watching my Scrap Diva Designs videos. She came out with a bonus release this week, which is the scalloped Easter bag. That is so cute. I posted some pictures on Instagram for that one, but I'm going to have a project share video with that and some other videos that's coming up soon. And Hannah from KS Craft asked me if I would guest design for her for April, so I'm going to be doing that. You know, I miss being a design team member for KS Craft. I just don't have time to do it every month, but I can, you know, do it once in a while. So I'm so glad she asked me, and I'm very excited to get the April release. So I'll share that with you when I get it. And I think that is about it, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you to everybody who entered my giveaway a couple of weeks ago. Lori, congratulations on winning. If you would email me at my email in the description box. Everyone, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'd love to hear what you thought of my little tiny haul this week. I have a scrapbook.com order coming. That should be here on Saturday according to my tracking. So I'll be able to share that with you next week, in addition to other things, I am sure. All right, you guys, I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day and weekend. Bye, everyone.